The LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video on the OnePlus 7 Pro. So OnePlus has announced the OnePlus 7 Pro on Tuesday, May 14th. So I'm on a website here, and you guys can check us out by going to the link below, and you guys will be watching the screen right here. So there's the OnePlus 7 Pro right there. It looks very nice. And the phone does look fucking nice as hell. Almost bezel-less display there. What's that, 3 cameras on back? Wow, that's pretty nice. If it is indeed 3 cameras on back. Yeah, you gotta see the OnePlus logo there on the. You gotta see the OnePlus logo there. You have the camera flash on back and the OnePlus branding spelled out on the bottom of that. So it says GB on speed. $669 is the price, and the OnePlus 7 Pro will be available at T-Mobile starting Friday, May 17th. So if you guys are on T-Mobile, you guys might be interested in this one. It says this sale starts at 10 a.m. May 17th. Alright, so that's when T-Mobile will be having this one available. 10 a.m. Friday morning, $669 full price. So yeah, if you guys are interested, check it out. Alright. Display seamlessly smooth triple camera, a camera for every moment. Warp charge 30. Wow. Ready in 20. That's pretty interesting, man. Yeah, I got this little video right here. Display sees the smoothness. The 6.67 inch fluid AMOLED display on the OnePlus 7 Pro is our most advanced screen ever. Experience unrivaled smoothness and clarity with the 90Hz refresh rate and Quad HD Plus resolution. So the Pro version is fucking nice as hell. Has a 6.67 inch display. There's also a OnePlus 7 phone out there. I think it's also going to T-Mobile as well. So this is the Pro version that we're looking at here today, right? Man, look at this fucking phone. God damn, man, never settled. What's that volume button on the left side? Volume button. I don't know what the fuck is that, or it's probably on the right side, and there's a button on the right side as well. I'm not sure what that button does. But Quad HD Plus resolution. Experience a high resolution display with a 90Hz refresh rate, designed to display your content for dramatic clarity. Curved edge-to-edge design. The display curves over the edges for a resting design and an immersive viewing experience. Screen unlock. Upgraded screen unlock technologies ensures you can unlock your OnePlus 7 Pro in just 0.21 seconds. Alright, we'll see how accurate that is. 90Hz refresh rate. Every tap, swipe, and button press feels instant and effortless thanks to the world's first AMOLED display with the 90Hz refresh rate. You guys learn more about that by clicking here. You guys want to. A link to this will be in the description box if you guys want to check it out, stuff like that. A camera for every moment. Capture life in brand new ways with a 48 megapixel main camera. Holy shit. 48 megapixel main camera, ultra wide angle lens, and 3 times optical zoom, combined with the smart scene recognition and new Nightscape 2.0 technology. The OnePlus 7 Pro is your personal photo studio. Holy shit, dude. 48 megapixels in the back. Wow. 48 megapixel main lens here. Just capture crystal clear photos with the highest resolution main camera lens ever on a OnePlus phone. That's a lot of megapixels, but it's not always got the new megapixels. Ultra wide angle lens, taking wide vistas with the new ultra wide angle lens design increased the range of your photos by up to 48%. So there is an example there. Nice mountains and shit. Fucking nice picture like that. Shit's fucking nice scenery right there. 3 times optical zoom. Capture the distance with 3 times optical zoom for detailed shots ever for detailed shots even from afar, alright? Y'all got to learn more about it if you guys want to. It also has Warp Charge 30, interesting name. Bigger battery, better charging. Alright, let's see what this Warp Charge 30 is. There's the phone. With a 4,000 mAh battery, you will easily power through the day and more, while our Warp Charge technologies get your OnePlus 7 Pro ready to go in just 20 minutes. So it's kind of like a Motorola feature where the turbo power on the Moto phone will have your phone 9 hours of power in like 15 minutes on the Motorola phone, but OnePlus has something like that. Get your OnePlus 7 Pro ready in just 20 minutes. We'll see how accurate that is. 4,000 mAh battery. Amp up your charge speeds with the Warp Charge 30. Get your OnePlus 7 Pro ready to go in just 20 minutes, while other charges slow down when your phone heats up. Warp Charge 30 keeps things cool and steady from 0 to 100. Alright. Charging while playing. Turning off your phone when charging. Turning off your phone when you charge is a thing of the past with Warp Charge 30. By isolating heat generated while charging, your phone stays cool and fast, so low power doesn't have to mean game over. Performance effortlessly powerful. Experience true speeds with up to 12 GB of RAM and the Snapdragon 855 and up to 256 GB of storage. Our hardware and software works together for an experience that is consistently fast and smooth. So that's Snapdragon 855. So this is a flagship phone from OnePlus. Has 12 gigs of RAM, 256 GB of ROM. So a win there. Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 to power to win. Featuring a cutting-edge 7nm processor. The Snapdragon 855 delivers a 45% performance increase over its predecessor. Y'all see the comparisons there. RAM boost 12 gigs of RAM. With up to 12 gigs of RAM, you can easily load apps and such between them faster than ever. 256 GB of storage and UFS 3.0. Brand new UFS 3.0 storage technology increases read and write speeds by 79%, making it quicker than ever to open apps, download files, and transfer data. 10-layer liquid cooling system. What is this blue thing right here? Ten cooling layers keep your phone cool even when you are on a hot streak in game. So that's pretty good. So this phone should not overheat too much. I'm not saying it won't get hot. All phones get hot, but this phone should not get too hot or nothing like that. Sound is rediscover entertainment. Experience music, movies, and games like never before, and take your immersion to the next. Take your immersion to the next level with powerful dual stereo speakers and a new haptic vibration motor. Alright. Wait a minute. Alright. It also has Dolby Atmos on there. It's pretty cool. Dual stereo speakers powered by Dolby Atmos are new dual stereo speakers impressed with the clear and powerful sound that elevates your listening experience. Haptic vibration motor. Every touch feels more powerful thanks to our most advanced vibration system ever. Subtool vibrations help guide your typing while your phone pulses with intensity in game. It has Frantic mode. I'm not sure how you say that. I'm probably pronouncing it wrong, but it dominates in game. With Frantic mode, get rid of all distractions for an uninterrupted and immersive gaming experience. As Dolby Atmos, you guys can see right there. Y'all guys can also learn more, of course, if you guys want. Design. And also, it has a premium design. Of course, this is a flagship phone on OnePlus. Very nice fucking phone. Very nice. Wow. For $669, you can't go wrong. The OnePlus 7 Pro was created with premium quality in mind, from its seamless glass curves to its immersive 6.67-inch fluid AMOLED display. This is what true craftsmanship looks and feels like. Comfortable to hold, the OnePlus 7 Pro is a beautiful blend of power and a range of impressive features, all packed into a slim and sleek design that fits perfectly in the palm of your hand. High-end craftsmanship, experiencing glass design that visually transforms in different lighting conditions and retains its beauty every use of each. Alright, so we'll see how accurate that is. It has Oxygen OS on there. Simple software and effortless interaction. We aim to make your user experience intuitive and smooth, which is why we develop software that is easy to understand and simple to use. Updated navigation gestures allow you to access all your favorite apps and services with a single swipe. Learn more. If you guys want to learn more, go right ahead. So it specs here. The specs, you guys know, some of the specs here. It has a fluid AMOLED display, 90Hz refresh rate, 48 megapixel main camera lens, warp charge 30, ready in 20 minutes, 12 gigs of RAM, UFS 3.0 storage technology there. Your dimensions there is right there. It weighs 206 grams, so it's probably heavy as fuck. It should, because it has a big strand, big battery, and it's made of glass. 3D cornering with blue weather glass, mirror gray, nebula blue, and almond. So the gray one probably looks nice. Oxygen OS based off 9.8 Pi, Snapdragon 855. It also has a Qualcomm AI engine, Adreno 640. You have three RAM options, 6, 8, or 12 gigs. So you have 6, 8, 12 gigs of RAM. That's DDR4 RAM. 2 storage options, 128 gig or 256 gigs. Sensors has an in-display fingerprint sensor like it does on the S10 and stuff like that. Accelerometer, electronic compass, gyroscope, ambient light sensor, proximity sensor for laser sensor. Is USB 3.1 Type-C, support standard Type-C airframe, dual nano SIM card, so it does not have a headphone jack from what I read here. 4,000 mAh battery, warp charge 30, haptic vibration, gestures and on-screen navigation support. I wrote slider, that's probably what's on the right side of the phone. Dual stereo speakers, noise cancellation support, Dolby Atmos. You have in-display fingerprint or face unlock, whatever one works for you. LTE has all the bands right there. Wi-Fi 8 to 11, ABG and AC dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0. NFC, of course, it has positioning, with GPS and all that shit. 6.67-inch display. 3120 by 1440 pixels, that's 516 ppi, 19.5 by 9, full AMOLED, 3D cornering golden glass features, supports sRGB, video enhancer, reading mode, night mode, and all that good stuff. Rear cameras, 48 megapixels, f1.6 aperture, OIS, EIS, 3 times optical zoom, autofocus, has video at 4K at 30 and 60 frames, 1080p video at 30 and 60 frames, super slow motion video at 1080p at 240, 720p at 480 frames, time lapse and video editor of course, features, ultra shot, nightscape, studio lighting, portrait, pro mode of course, panorama, HDR, AI scene detection, and raw image. Okay. The main camera is 48 megapixels, like I said. The telephoto camera is 8 megapixels, is f2.4 aperture on that OIS. Ultra wide angle lens is 16 megapixels with an f2.2 aperture lens. Field of view on that is 117 degrees. Dual LED flash. Front facing camera is 16 megapixels. It has a Sony sensor in there. It has a Sony sensor on the back. Let me see if it tells us. Yes, it does Sony sensor on both cameras, front and back. 16 megapixel front facing camera. EIS, autofocus, fixed focus, is aperture 2.0. 1080p video at 30 frames, time lapse, based on like HDR screen flash and face retouching. Alright. There's audio and multimedia, all functions there. Your formats and stuff like that. So it should support anything you throw at it, audio wise and video wise and shit. In the box, what you guys get with the OnePlus 7 Pro is the OnePlus 7 Pro smartphone, warp charge 30, power adapter, warp type C cable, quick start guide, welcome letter, interesting, safety information on multi-card logo sticker, case, screen protector, pre-installed SIM card, SIM tray ejector. So that's pretty cool. So yeah, this fucking phone is nice as hell. The specs on it are fucking great. You have 2 storage options, 128 gigs or 256 gigs, 3 RAM options, 6, 8, and 12 gigs. Probably the 128 gigs is probably 6 and 8 gigs of RAM, and the 256 gigabyte version has 12 gigs of RAM. So the price will vary on that. So I don't know if 669 is the 6 gigabytes of RAM version. I'm not sure, but if you guys don't get this one, you might as well just get the 12 gigabytes of RAM version. You might as well. The phone looks very nice. Comes in 3 colors: matte gray, nubia blue, and almond color. So that's what look like a brownish color. The phone looks nice as hell. This phone looks nice. The specs on this are fucking awesome as hell. It has the warp charge 30, which I'm interested to know more about that. We'll see how accurate that is. It's coming out Friday for T-Mobile at $669. So I don't know if that's the base price or not. If you guys are on T-Mobile, think about switching to T-Mobile, the OnePlus 7 Pro is worth taking a look at. This is a OnePlus 7 Pro. They do have a OnePlus 7 version, which be a bit cheaper than this one. So whatever one floats your boat. And I think OnePlus did a great job with this one. They did a great job with it. So yeah, there you guys have it. OnePlus 7 Pro will be available this Friday at T-Mobile. So if you guys are interested in that, check it out from T-Mobile. And yeah, great job OnePlus on this fucking phone. Looks fucking nice as hell. So yeah, that's pretty much it there, guys. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. Or listen out. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.